we need to factor this trinomial completely. So we have m squared minus 11mn plus 24n squared. Now something that might throw someone off is this n squared at the end. We're used to the variable squared at the beginning, but not usually at the end. So in this case, I'm just going to put an n at the end. I know to get n squared, I've got to have n times n, and I'll have a number in front of that, but I'll just put that there so I don't even have to worry about that n squared anymore. I know I'll have m times m will give me m squared. So now we just have to look and figure out what are factors of 24 that add up to negative 11. So if it has to equal a positive 24, we've got to either have a positive times a positive or a negative times a negative. Since it has to add to a negative though, we know both will be negative. So let's just go ahead and write them out. Negative 24 times negative 1. Nope, that will not add up to negative 11. Negative 12 times negative 2. Nope, that will not add up to negative 11. So we can see it multiplies to 24, but let's look. Negative 8 times negative 3. Well, that looks like it might work. Negative 8 plus negative 3 does equal negative 11. Negative 8 times negative 3 does equal 24. So that's going to be it. So we can say minus 8n minus 3n. Now when you get to this point, how can you check if that's the right answer? Well, multiply it out. You can FOIL it out and you should get this exact same trinomial. Now, one thing to consider is make sure you remember this is your final answer, because sometimes what I see is students multiply it out and then forget to leave this as their final answer. They'll circle that trinomial. So just put a square, circle, or something around your answer and then check it below.